With just a few easy steps, you can create a stunning piece that will inspire you and others. Remember, every stitch you make is a step toward your vision. So keep going with confidence and creativity. Before you know that, you'll have a beautiful masterpiece. Happy crocheting, my friends! In this tutorial, I wanted to share how to make a beautiful stitch I created today. It's super easy to make, so if you are already know how to make a double crochet stitch, you are in luck. So today, I'm excited to show you a simple and very beautiful stitch that you can use to create blankets, scarves, and more. To get started, you will need a medium weight yarn and your favorite colors, a crochet hook size of H or 5 mm, and the scissor to get started. So if you are ready, let's begin. To begin with this project, we're gonna make a slip knot. Next, create a chain that is a multiple of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we're gonna make another 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We have 22 right here. And now we're gonna make another 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Then plus 5 at the end of your stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this tutorial, I will make a set of 3 plus 5, which equals to 38 stitches. Once you have created the chain, it's time to begin your first row. So skip one chain from the hook and start making single crochet in every stitch until the end of your chain. Now I have 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna continue making a single crochet all the way to the last chain of your stitch. After you finishing your first row of single crochet, now it's time to start the pattern. Make a chain of 3 for the second row. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. In this straight chain, counted as one double crochet. Then make another double crochet on the following 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. In the total of 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And on the next chain, make 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Now we have 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and 3 double crochet on the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. This is the first set. Skip 3 chain again. 1, 2, 3. Then on the next 4 stitches, we are going to make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is how it looks like. Skip 3 stitches again. 1, 2, 3. And on the next stitch, we are going to make 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Then another 3 double crochet on the same stitch. We have 2 and 3. Now we are done for the second set. Then skip 3 stitches again and make a double crochet on the 4 stitches. 2, 3, and 4. Again, skip 3 stitches, then make 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead, keep going and do your work until you get to the last stitches of this row. Once you are done the last shell right here, we need to skip 3 stitches again and then make a double crochet on the next 4 stitches. Now we have 2, 3, and 4. So our second row, this is how it looks like. Now we have a multiple of 11. So this is the first set of 11 right here. And then the second set of 11 right here. The third set of 11 right here. And this last 4 stitches of double crochet right here, this is our additional 5 chains. Now let's jump on the third row. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. Again, these 3 stitches right here is counted as 1 double crochet. Then make another double crochet on the next 3 stitches. In total of 4 double crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next stitch or on the space right here. Then chain 3 again and make 4 double crochet stitches after you skip 3 chains right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the complete set of our project. Chain 3 again, jump to the space, make single crochet, chain 3 again, then jump to the previous row of double crochet right here and make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue with the pattern until you reach your desired size. Then if you prefer a solid color, there is no need to cut your yarn. However, if you want to change colors, leave the last double crochet loops, grab your new yarn color, pull through, and tie it up before starting the next row. So this is what I mean right here. The last double crochet, we need to leave 2 loops before we change our color. But if you make a solid color, just leave it as it is. So this is the complete pattern for our project. As you can see right here in our original pattern, we have single crochet, then a shell stitch to the next 2 rows. And this is how it looks like if you have a bigger project on this pattern. So every color we need to work 2 rows. So let's continue of how we change our color. So pull the yarn, leave those 2 loops, and then grab your new yarn color and pull through. After you pull through, tie it up before starting the next row. So to start the next row, we only repeat the pattern for the second row and third rows until you reach the end of your work. So make a chain of 3, turn your work, then we're gonna follow the pattern right here on the second row. So again, this 3 chain right here counted as 1 double crochet, and then we are going to make another double crochet on the next 3 stitches to complete our 4 double crochet right here. Then skip this 3 chain or jump to the single crochet right here and make 3 double crochet. Now we have 2 and 3. Then chain 2, go to the same stitch and continue making 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. This is how it works right here. Second row and the fourth row. Then jump to the previous row on top of our double crochet and follow the pattern. 1, 2, and 3, and the last one double crochet. In total of 4 double crochet on the next 4 stitches. And again, jump to the single crochet right here and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, then double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Again, jump to the double crochet on the previous rows and make a new double crochet on the next 4 stitches. And now make double crochet, we have 2 and 3, chain 2 again, 1 2, go back to the same stitch and make 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, then double crochet again on the next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we are done on this row. Make a chain of 3, turn your work and do a double crochet on the next 3 stitches, 3 and 4. This time we're gonna make a chain of 3 and we're gonna follow the pattern on the third row. 1 2 3, jump to the space right here, make single crochet, chain 3 again, then jump on the top of the previous double crochet right here and follow the pattern on the next 4 stitches and 4. Now chain 3 again, 1 2 3, jump to the space, make single crochet, chain 3 again and go to the next 4 double crochet, follow the pattern and make a double crochet on the next 4 stitches, 3 and 4, chain 3, make single crochet, chain 3 and double crochet on the next 4 stitches. Repeat the pattern for the second and third rows until you reach the end of your work. Once you are done with your project, you will have a beautiful, easy to make stitch that looks great for blankets, scarves, and more. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Sheila's Creation, and follow me on my Facebook page at Celeste Gomez for fun and easy tutorials. Have a wonderful day and happy crocheting!